Hello and welcome to HP Calcs. My name's Rick, and today we're going to look at how to store and recall numbers on the Sharp EL-501x calculator. Alright, so this calculator has one independent memory slot, and to use it we will be using the buttons STO, Recall, M+, and the plus minus button. Alright, so if we wanted to store a number, let's say 5, we would place it on the stack, then press the store button. We see an M here in the top left corner. That tells us we have one number in storage. So if we clear this from the screen by pressing on, and we want to bring it back, we can hit the RCL button here, and our stored number is back on the screen. We can also modify this stored number by using the M+ button and the plus minus. So if we wanted to add or subtract to our stored number, let's say we wanted to add 2 to our stored number. We would place 2 on the screen, then hit M+, and 2 should now be added to our number. We can check this by hitting recall, and now we have 7. So that's 5 plus 2. If we wanted to subtract from this, we would use the plus minus key. So let's say we wanted to subtract 1, we would go 1 plus minus M+. And then recall, and there we go. 7 minus 1 is 6. The contents of this memory is retained even when the calculator is turned off. If we turn it off, and then on again, you can see we still have the M in the top, and if we hit recall, we have our 6 back. Alright, and if we're done with this number in our memory, and we wanted to clear the memory, we would go on, so that 0 is on the screen, and then store. You can see the M in the top left corner is gone, and our memory is now cleared. Alright, I hope this helps you, and good luck on those tests.